What's up guys, it's Ryan here, and I finally wanted to get around to making this review for I Am with Jamie, because when I was looking for reviews, there just was not a lot of legitimate or very helpful reviews, and that's kind of what I wanted to talk about here, because I know where you're probably sitting right now, and it's where I was sitting 2 months ago before I bought the product, and that was that you just don't know whether you want to put the money into it yet, because it could be a scam, it could be whatever, it could just not be worth the money that you're putting in. And so that's what I'm kind of here to talk about with you. I'll tell you what I thought about it personally. Now, I'm the type of person that I've been in internet marketing now for about a year, so I'm not an expert by any means, but in that year I've spent a ton of money buying different products. And the thing that I really like about I Am with Jamie is the fact that this is like an all-in-one product, and it's not an all-in-one skimpy product. I know there's the whole jack of all trades, master of none, but this is so freaking comprehensive that you will not watch and read everything. Everything that's inside this program, you would have to spend so much time to go through all of it. This is an amazing resource package that what you're going to do is you're going to go in, you're going to start watching through all the main, just, general education type stuff to get a feel towards what you're moving towards. And then you're going to be able to decide which path you want to pursue, because there's paths with affiliate marketing, there's paths with making money with ads, there's paths with using Facebook as your traffic gold mine, there's paths of using Google AdWords, there's paths of using YouTube. There's all these different ways that you can go in internet marketing, and this encompasses all those ways to get you started and making money with all of them, but you're not going to do all of them. That's what's so great about this, is that it leads you into a way to make a decision for yourself. It says they're going to take you down this journey, they're going to teach you about everything, and then you can make the decision for yourself which one you really like to do best. And that's what I really like, because then it keeps you motivated. It's not like just another product that says do this, and then it's a method, and then you do it, you get bored, and you're done. And if you even don't like the one that you chose, you can go and just do another one, because this is a massive resource guide. So absolutely recommend it for all you guys. I'm already having some great success with it, and I bet you will too. So just also keep in mind that it is an investment. It's an investment in yourself. It's not like going and buying an iPod. This is something that you spend the money on, and then you're going to make that money back. So if you're actually going to be determined and do it, and you know that you will, then this is the guide for you. You will make your money back, and it's just an awesome opportunity. So I got a link down in the description that'll get you a discount if you want to save some money. Otherwise, have a great day, guys, and thanks so much for watching.